Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the most important concepts in machine learning, types of classification algorithms. Classification is a part of machine learning where the goal is to predict a category. For example, is this email spam or not spam? Is this image a dog or a cat? Here the output is not a number but a label. Classification algorithms learn from examples that already have labels and then make predictions. There are many classification algorithms, each with a different style of learning. Some are simple, some are powerful, some are slow, some are fast. Let's walk through each one in a simple and practical way. Logistic regression is one of the simplest algorithms for classification. Even though the name says regression, it is actually used for classification. It predicts probabilities and converts them into yes or no. For example, will the customer buy or not buy? Is the transaction fraud or not? A decision tree works exactly like a set of questions leading to an answer. For example, if you want to decide whether a loan should be approved, is income high? Is credit score good? Any past defaults? Based on these splits, the model reaches a decision. Random forest is simply a group of many decision trees. Each tree gives an answer, and the forest takes the majority vote. Because of this, it becomes more stable, less overfitted, and more accurate. SVM tries to find the best possible boundary that separates classes. It works very well for text classification and smaller datasets with many features. KNN predicts by checking its nearest neighbors. For example, if we want to predict if a new fruit is an apple or orange, KNN will check the closest fruits in the dataset and choose the majority vote. It is simple, but becomes slow with large data. Naive Bayes uses probability to make predictions. It assumes all features are independent, which is not always true. But surprisingly, it works extremely well for span detection and text classification. Neural networks are the backbone of deep learning. They learn complex patterns and are used in modern applications like image recognition, speech recognition, and chatbots. Classification is not a one-solution problem. Each algorithm performs differently depending on your data. The key is to understand which model suits your use case the best. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the full series of machine learning basics, check out the playlist on my channel. In the next video, we'll explore another important topic: types of regression algorithms. See you in the next session.